Is it legal to access someone else's browsing history without their consent?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing a very important question. Is it legal to access someone else's browsing history without their consent? It's a topic that raises concerns about privacy, digital ethics, and legal boundaries. So, let's dive right in.
Understanding privacy and consent.
To answer this question, we need to start by understanding two key concepts: privacy and consent. Privacy refers to an individual's right to keep their personal information and activities private. On the other hand, consent relates to obtaining someone's permission before accessing or using their personal data.
Laws and regulations.
The legality of accessing someone else's browsing history without their consent can vary depending on the jurisdiction and applicable laws. In many countries, there are specific regulations in place to protect individuals' privacy and personal data, both offline and online.
Unauthorized access and hacking.
In most jurisdictions, unauthorized access to someone else's browsing history can be considered a violation of the law. Unauthorized access often refers to situations where individuals gain access to someone's private information without their knowledge or permission. This includes hacking into someone's accounts or using software tools to spy on their browsing activities.
Exceptions and permissible scenarios.
While unauthorized access is generally illegal, there may be certain exceptions or permissible scenarios where accessing someone else's browsing history without consent is legal. These exceptions could include cases where a court order has been issued, such as during a criminal investigation or with explicit legal authorization for legitimate reasons.
Ethical considerations.
Apart from the legal aspect, it's essential to consider the ethical implications of accessing someone else's browsing history without their consent. Respecting an individual's privacy and autonomy is a fundamental ethical principle in the digital age. It's important to obtain explicit consent and respect the boundaries of others when it comes to accessing their personal data. To wrap it up, accessing someone else's browsing history without their consent is generally not legal and can be considered a violation of their privacy. Laws and regulations exist to protect individuals' personal data and ensure that unauthorized access is prohibited. However, it's not just a matter of legality but also ethics. Respecting privacy and obtaining consent are crucial aspects of responsible digital behavior. Let's remember to prioritize privacy and respect the boundaries of others as we navigate the online world. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the legality and ethics of accessing someone else's browsing history without their consent. If you have any further questions or thoughts on this topic, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.